What's up guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix authorization error redirect URI mismatch. So guys, wrong redirect URI is one of the reason of this error. So I am going to replace the redirect URI first. You have to go to your credentials and after that you have to edit your auth client ID, and after that you have to copy this URL and you have to replace in your code. After replacing into your code, you have to copy this code and upload into your directory and save the changes. And after that you have to copy this redirect URI and you have to replace into authorized redirect URLs just like that, and you have to save it. This is the main reason of this error. You have to change the redirect URLs, and if you are doing another API there must be redirects URLs like this. And after that you have to refresh your build request URL and copy the authorization URL and hit this browser again. So guys, as you can see this error is gone and now you can authorize this like this way. So guys, as you can see I have fixed the errors by replacing the redirects URLs. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.